These are lemons that fell on the ground. The garden is so lush and green this time of the year, so let's do a garden tour. Let's start. Where should we start? Let's start here. This is English lavender. There's a bee here. Hello, bee. I'm not sure if you can see. There you go. And then this is artichoke. Behind the artichoke is a blueberry bush. And then we have a lemon tree here. We have a lot of things going on in here. We need to clean this up. These are beautiful flowers. And then tomato. The tomatoes need to be pruned too. Oh, those are, what are those? I don't know. And then another tomato here. So there are 3 tomatoes on this, like 8x4, oh no, 8x2 box. And then the red vein sorrel. And then we have cucumbers there. This is a pear tree. This is a calamondin tree. And then on this other side, this is citronelle, mosquito repellent. And then we have 5 tomatoes here, different varieties of tomatoes. And then basil. This is basil. And then onions. Look at the onions. So these are the tomatoes. They are ready for harvest. Look at those. And then this one is bigger. It's actually touching the ground now. I'm going to harvest this soon. And then more tomatoes here that are ready too. And then look at this calamondine. And then this is a fig tree. Look at all the tiny fruits that are growing. All the way to the top. And then here we have more tomatoes. So we have 3 tomatoes on this 4x4 box, and then 4 tomatoes on the other 4x4 box. And then peppers, different varieties of peppers. This one is still small. Oh, and then more lavender here. This is another variety of lavender. I can't remember what it is though. And then we have beans over there. And then what else? Oh, these tomatoes are ready too. So this is yellow pear. I love yellow pear. I love this variety. So the tomatoes need heavy pruning. And behind the tomatoes, there are like grapes there. I don't know if you can see. See those grapes? And then we have more peppers here. So this is ready. This is like a huge pepper. These are ready too. And this one too. And then this is a grapevine. Look at these fruits. And then there are like a lot of fruits growing. And then this is a blueberry bush. So there are fruits. There are fruits that are ready, like this. Already. This one too. Let's eat one. So good. And those are ready too. And more blueberry. No, more grapes there. And then that one is a shiso. a shiso plant. This is kumquat, a kumquat tree. And fennel, a lot of fennel growing wild. I love the flowers, they smell so good. Look at all those like grapes. And then more tomatoes here. So this is a cherry variety. Green doctors. So this will probably stay green. This is probably ready. Yeah, oh yeah, this is ready. I love this one. This is succulents. I harvested one last time. And then let's back up. There's one satsuma growing very slowly here. This is satsuma mandarin. And then this is the tree kale. Look at how tall. It got some aphids, and then I sprayed like oil, dishwashing liquid and water, and then it looks better again. And then this one is a yuzu lemon. There's tiny fruits growing. And then the radish. There are radish here, and then also like shiso peppers. I need to harvest the radish, they are bolting. And then a lily. And that is a Valencia orange. Oh, there's a beetle. Valencia orange. This is a Valencia orange tree. And then the grapevine here too is growing wild. I need to prune. There's a lot of pruning that I need to do. But it has fruits. Oh, like it's starting to turn like purple like that, see? And this one too. Actually, this one is ready. This one. This is a blueberry grapes. Look, they look like blueberries, right? Yum yum. Let's wait until the plane passes by. Here. Let's wait under this trellis, grapevine trellis. I have a video when I built this one. It's so nice to be under this like trellis. It's so like relaxing. Look at all those fruits. And this is the 6 citrus salad. This is a lemon verbena, and then this one is growing very tall now. This is laurel plant, and then this one is nectar plum. It has like some tiny fruits. And then what else? There's that one is chives. So we have chives here, we have mint, we have basil. This is basil, rosemary, and then we have thyme. This is the herb garden. We have more fennel there. We have another blueberry bush here, and then there's sage over there. Oh, I need to fix those. And then that one is a plum tree. Behind the plum tree is a variegated calamondin tree. And then we have mint there. Oh, there's a bird. Hi, bird. And then this is oregano, and then more mint here. And this is parsley. Nasturtium. That one is not edible. That is a beautiful hydrangea. Look at the color. So we have mint here on grow bags. Oh, this mint has like flowers. Look, yellow tiny flowers, and then more lavender there. And then let's start all the way to the other side, the fruit trees. Oops, there are a lot of butterflies. Hello, butterflies. Look. Look at how beautiful. Let's start here. Oh, this is huge. This is, and it's ready. Oh, I need to harvest this. This is nectar plum, a cross between nectarine and plum. This is a beautiful flower too. And I think the peaches are ready too. I need to prune this rose. Oh, like this. Look at the peaches. Oh, it's ready. Oh, and some are eaten. I'm going to harvest some of this. Oh, yeah, a lot. Oh, I see. Let's check. There are a lot that are ready. They are actually ready. Oh no, this is like super soft. Look at all these fruits. Look at all those peaches. Oh, I love that one. I'll pick that one. I can eat this right now. See? Oh, this is beautiful. Oops. A donut peach. There are a lot that are ready. I missed them again. Oops, this rose is like... Okay. What else? This is cherry moya. Has flowers. I'm not sure if they're going to turn into fruits. This is a cherry tree. We have cucumbers here, and these are the corns. And then here we have squash. More squash over there. And then what else? This is a lemon tree. Lots of lemons. We have lots of lemons. And then this is a pear tree, an Asian pear tree. Shinjiki. Is it Shinjiki? Shinjiki. And then this is apricot tree. Look at the fruits. And then a blueberry bush. The yellow one, I love that one. That is yarrow. It's not edible. This one is a rosemary. Whiskey barrel with strawberries. And this is another pear tree. Red Baron pear tree. And there are more fruits there. Let's go to this side. The other side. We have raspberry in here. This is raspberry, blackberry, and this is I think there will be fruits very soon. This is gooseberry, and this is blackberry, Oh, actually, the other one is boysenberry. So this one is boysenberry. This is a dragon fruit. And the wildflowers are here. Look at the wildflowers. So beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now. Look at this pink one, and more over here.